Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction. South Africa Powerball and Powerball Plus Prediction Friday 19 April 2024. Tuesday South Africa Powerball and Powerball Plus draw result number. Powerball result number 6, 14, 26, 32, 41. Powerball number 3. Powerball Plus result number 4, 16, 19, 13, 49. Powerball number 19. Friday Powerball and Powerball Plus calculation prediction number. Hi YouTube family, welcome to SB Prediction. Today Powerball and Powerball Plus prediction number 1 to 10 3 number prediction. Number 4, 5 and 9. 11 to 23 number prediction. Number 11, number 13 and number 18. 21 to 33 number prediction. Number 22, 24 and 25. 31 to 43 number prediction. 31 to 43 number prediction. 31, 35 and 37. 41 to 53 number prediction. Number 41, 43 and 46. South Africa Powerball and Powerball Plus Powerball number prediction 1 to 10 3 number prediction 4, 5 and 9. 11 to 23 number prediction 11, 13 and 18. 21 to 33 number prediction 22, 24 and 25. 31 to 43 number prediction 31, 35 and 37. 41 to 53 number prediction 41, 43 and 46. South Africa Powerball and Powerball Plus Powerball number prediction number 2, 6 and 11. South Africa Powerball and Powerball Plus Powerball number prediction repeat number 2, 6 and 11. Today South Africa Powerball and Powerball Plus prediction complete. Like, share, comment this video, subscribe this YouTube channel. Good luck, see you soon next video. Bye bye.